2019 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, power door locks, power windows, MP3 player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.